Hi, in this video I will show you how to create these suspended fishtail braids. Begin by taking the section from the right side of your head. Separate the piece in two and then start to take smaller pieces from each side and bring the strand under to the other side. Add hair from both sides of the braid. Take a small strand of hair from the right side, then add the strand to the left side. Then take the piece from left, bring it under, and add hair. Small piece from the right side, add hair, and bring the whole strand to the left side. Small piece from left, add hair, and add this piece to the right side. Small piece from right, under, add hair, and add the piece to the left side. Small piece from left, under, add hair, and add the piece to the right side. Keep on repeating this pattern. When you create the fishtail braid, make sure that you won't add hair too much at the time. I mean that if you take very small pieces from the right and the left side and then bring them under to the other side, you cannot add very much hair, because the amount of hair you take determines how much the braid will actually going forward. And the smaller the piece is, the less the braid will continue on that one section. Next, I pancake the braid to get more volume. If you want a neat fishtail braid, I suggest you to pancake the braid one stitch at a time. If you don't mind, it will be a little bit messier. You can pull out many strands on the same pinch. Once you added all the hair into the braid, secure the braid with an elastic. Then you can pancake a little bit more. Next, I create a twist around the elastic. I use for that little clip of wire. I pull it through the elastic. Then I take the section of hair, spin it around the elastic, then I pull it through using the wire. Next, I will create a similar fishtail braid as I did before. Take two strands and start to bring small pieces at a time from left under to the right, and then from right under to the left, from left under to the right, and from right under to the left. Keep on repeating. After finishing this, you need to repeat the same steps on the other side. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you like it, and I will see you soon again. Have a great day.